Hi there. I'm going to share a word from the Lord from August 10th of 2025 entitled Unity of All Creation. I asked, "What's on your heart today, Jesus?" I heard, "The winds of change blowing across the earth, they blow in gusts of transformation, gusts of power and glory. The wind blows at my command. I send it here and there to accomplish the intents of my heart. I am ready to dwell in you. Are you ready?" There is another piece to the equation you've yet to consider with my spirit. My spirit is as of creation. It's a unity of all of creation. Humans are about one part of the unity I desire. There is a greater plan. This realm of earth was given to you to have dominion. Dominion means to care for it, to serve it, to love it as you love me and yourselves. When humans fell, or better said, were separated in spirit, the cosmic order of things was disrupted. Unity was lost across all of creation. I came to restore unity on a magnitude you cannot fathom. This is what is coming. So come up higher and see my eternal plan for unity of spirit. All realms in unity aligned with the Father's will for love, peace, and joy. This is why judgment must come as it did at the time of Noah. Man has not only sinned against self, God, and earth, but all of creation. Now soon I will begin to move in a way that restores unity of all creation. Man is key. The heart of men unlocks the unity of all creation. I said, I don't understand or cannot fathom all of creation. What is it? The life found in my Father, the life force that permeates all living things. You see it in this realm in the animals and the plants. The other realms also have life of innumerable kinds. There is a linkage between all life that originated in my Father. When one part of his creation is separated from him, all of creation experiences loss. When man comes back into perfect unity with the Father through me as the way, the truth, and the life, then the one spirit of life will be experienced in the fullness. It was meant to be. All of creation groans for the manifest sons and daughters to arise, to bend their knee to me with their hearts, within their hearts, and then rise into their rightful place at my side to all of creation. I was then taken to Romans 8 and highly encourage you to read Romans 8 for yourself. I want to point out in this word that this is a part of what the Lord had been talking to me about most of 2025, about this restoration of body, soul, and spirit in what Jesus accomplished and what is truly available to us on the earth, not someday when we die, but on the earth today and what he desires to do. And you can find that in the Preserved Blameless Bible Study that I've recently released. Highly encourage you to download it. You can download it for free. You can choose to participate online. In the spring of 2026, I'm coordinating an online study for those who want to do it together, or perhaps you'd get it and have your own small group study. I believe the best way to study this material is in fellowship with one another, that we can commune together and grow our understanding in our hearts. So that's Preserve Blameless. Hope you'll take a look at that. Thanks.